welcome back to another YouTube video. If you don't know me already, my name is Luna and today I'm going to be showing you how to clean your windows. The first thing you're going to do is you're just going to take your sponge and make sure that it's nice and wet, but not too wet. Because this is why I'm wearing a raincoat, because we don't want to get too wet. So we're going to get straight into it. The first thing you're going to do is rub round and round on the window pane. So when you rub, make sure that you get all of those surfaces and make sure you clean it all the way around. And then we're going to do the corners. So get those corners, just like that. Good job. And make sure you do the bottom part as well, just like that. And this part. And guys, just like that, I think we're done. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and that you also get your raincoats because it's good and you don't want to get wet. So yeah, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Comment down below what you want to see me do next. Bye!